Today we're going to do a comparison of two really important items for parents of babies. Now, this is the bottle washing, sterilizing, drying storage machine. This is a premium machine. This is the top of the line, two different models for the baby bottle washing machine. Now, they have different variations of baby bottle washing machines, but this is the top of the line that sterilizes, washes, cleans all different types of things like sippy cups, breast pump parts, and all plastic utensils for the baby, the bowls, the cups, all the things that you need sterilized, that you don't want to just put in the dishwasher. This beats washing all those bottles by hand with those brushes and trying to get the inside of those plastic and glass bottles clean is an impossible task. Nobody can do it very well, but this takes out all of that work. Now, both of these machines are very good and very comparable. Let's talk about some of the differences. This is Grownsy, and this is AMZ BabyChef. Now, both of these were provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I love these. I use this every single day as I manage babies in my house, and I want to share with you the great things about each one of these and some other things that you're going to want to know about to compare and see which one might be best for you and your family. Keep watching to the end. We'll do an infographic comparing the benefits of both so you can decide which one of these might be best for you. Now, they both have digital display screens. Very easy to use, very easy to see. Now, they both have different functions like standard sterilization, fast and dry modes. Each of these has a quick dry, a quick fast mode, and each of these has a longer extended mode. They both can clean bottles, sippy cups, breast pumps, all the different things that you need for babies and the management of babies, but most importantly, they clean bottles. Now let's look at the AMZ BabyChef. Got this big container here. Now they both solve the problem of having bottles in here to be completely sterilized and cleaned. Now this one is very large, and it has a big container in here, and it also has a rack, which is very nice. Now the Grownsy is also large, and it also has a rack. This rack is configured to set over the whole top of the machine. This one is more like a shelf. Now, when you look inside, these are similar but different. The Grownsy one has spaces on the side here where you can put bottles, you can put sippy cups, and it has a designated place to put the nipples and things that have the pointed edge like that, like the tops of your sippy cups, like your sippy cup silicone nipples. And then all of the plastic things will go on top here. Now this is where you have things like your bottle rings and your tops of the sippy cups, tops of the bottles, like this. All these pieces and pacifiers can go on this shelf or on this shelf. Both very, very good machines. And they both have the following technical truths. They're both designed to save parents hours of tedious hand washing, proving medical-grade sanitation and 72-hour HEPA-filtered sterile storage. However, when you look closely at all of these features, water delivery systems, cycle times, and countertop footprints, each machine serves specific nursery setups and family needs. Let's dive into each of those. The BabyChef All-in-1 cleaning machine is built with a focus on high-capacity batch sterilization, rapid drying, performance, and a sleek, modern modular layout. Its intelligent two-tiered basket design is spacious enough to accommodate 6 to 8 full-size bottles in the lower compartment, while easily fitting wearable breast pump accessories, valves, teething toys in the upper rack. Now, parents who need high-speed turnarounds, BabyChef shines with its rapid 30-minute hot air drying technology, which dries bottles faster than the standard 55-minute drying cycles. Its high-temperature steam sanitization blasts away 99.9% of bacteria using pure steam, completely free of harsh chemicals. BabyChef is operated via a crystal clear LED touch control panel, which allows you to easily jump between washing, sterilizing, drying, and storage modes with a single tap. It also features a medical-grade HEPA air filtration, 72-hour safe storage, quiet auto shutters, and safety protection, and a lightweight compact body that slides comfortably under standard kitchen cabinets. It comes with several months supply of the dishwashing tabs, which are very easy to use, conveniently located in this zip pouch. You just take one out, drop it in the bottom of the tank very easily, and you can store the others for the next uses. They're both very similar in how these are dispensed. Now let's look at the Grownsy Easy Clean Pro Bottle Washer. Grownsy is engineered with a true hands-free auto washer, sanitizer, and dryer. Inside it features 26 targeted high-pressure spray jets and 12 internal precision jets that shoot directly into the bottle openings, and 14 swirling external jets that provide complete 360-degree coverage. Now it's powered by a high-pressure system generating up to 24-hour pascals at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It effortlessly strips away dried milk, proteins, and stubborn formula residue without any manual scrubbing. It uses its own brand of specialized detergent tablets in its wash cycle, and it features a two-tiered rack that holds up to 4 bottles on flexible bottle pegs, alongside with the dedicated upper basket for nipples, pacifiers, and pump parts. Grownsy offers 9 customizable modes, including a rapid 90-minute quick wash and a 29-minute standard wash, 212-degree Fahrenheit steam sterilization that kills 99.9% of the bacteria and germs. They both offer a hose that lets the dirty water drain directly from the machine into your sink. Now, wrapping up with the Grownsy, it has a 55-minute hot air storage, and its standout convenience features its flexible drain hose that hooks directly into your kitchen sink, meaning you will never have to manually pull out and dump a heavy, dirty water tank. At the end of its cycle, it has a HEPA filtration system continuously cleaning and circulating clean air around your baby items to completely sterilize and dry them for up to 72 hours. They both slide easily under standard kitchen cabinets, and when it comes to comparing the specific details machine to machine, your decision comes down to your personal workflow. If you want continuous direct-to-sink drainage through a hose, an ultra-fast 90-minute wash cycle, the Grownsy Easy Clean is an absolute powerhouse. If you prefer an ultra-fast 30-minute drying cycle, a streamlined modular rack that holds up to 6 bottles and an intuitive LED touch interface, BabyChef All-in-1 is a fantastic choice for your counter. Both machines deliver incredible cleanliness, eliminate daily sink stress, and give you back valuable time with your baby. You can't go wrong with either one. They're both extremely high quality, and I found that they were both comparable in ease to use and flexibility. The BabyChef seems to hold about 2 or 3 more bottles, but it also is a little bit bigger on your counter space. So the Grownsy is excellent. It holds up to 4 bottles or sippy cups, and it is a little bit smaller of a footprint. They're both very easy to add the water to with a removable water intake holder, and easy to clean and manage on your countertop.